When using the universal sample holder, remember to use gloves when handling the sample. Always use the securing clips and position the microscope slide facing down. If more room is required, remember to push down on the pins and the area of interest will expand depending on the sample or size of the sample. Then move the condenser frame to the rear stop. Place the universal holder in the stage, and the sample holder must click into place. If this does not happen, remove the holder and reinsert. Next, move the condenser frame to the front stop and observe the sample. Okay, so for using the petri dish with the cover slip bottom, first secure the bottom of the dish into the universal holder. Then, taking your sample, in this case a leaf, placing it in there with the weight on top. For higher magnification, oil immersion is required, so it's recommended to place a drop of oil on the cover slip. In this case, it's a larger sample, so we'll add 2. Then, carefully placing the sample on top of the droplet and adding the weight. This sample is a little larger, but this may not encompass all of it. Once you put it down, it is secured. At this point, you would take your gloves off and place the sample insert into the stage. Press escape on the touch panel controller. Move the condenser frame to the rear stop. When unloading the sample, remember to remove the sample adapter, clean the sample slide, as well as the objective with the appropriate lens paper or IPA wipes. Acquire image following the SOP section for imaging. When using the 60x oil objective, first locate the region of interest using the lower magnification, be it 4x, 10x, or 20x. After locating the region of interest, set your XY location by pressing the set button on the touch panel controller. Then on the TPC, press escape to return the objective you're currently using to the home position. Position the slide away from the objective lens using the stage controls. Press the 60x oil objective so the oil objective becomes visible. Carefully add a drop of immersion media, or 2 depending on the surface area of interest. If sample holder or sample is different in any way, see the Confocal SOP for further instructions or ask ARSC staff. Reposition the slide over the objective after you've added the oil, and using the focus control, rotate counterclockwise until the oil makes contact with the cover slip. At this point, press the icon for observing your sample to the eyepieces and slowly adjust until you're able to see or resolve your sample.